Picture this. You're cruising down Electric Avenue, and two of the hottest EVs pull up beside you. On one side, the suave, ever-popular Tesla Model 3, dripping with Silicon Valley chic. On the other, the sleek and modern Hyundai Ioniq 6 SE, winking at you with its innovative design. The question hanging in the air? Which electric marvel would you take on your eco-friendly escapades? Let's electrify this debate. As we zap into range, Tesla teases us with 272 miles on a full charge. Hyundai, though, isn't trailing far behind, bringing in a decent 240 miles. So for those long weekend getaways, Tesla might just have that extra mile of charm. But wait, are you already calculating the damage to your wallet? Tesla's price tag flashes $40,240. Meanwhile, Hyundai's making you think twice, priced a tad higher at $41,600. Decisions. Speed demons gather around. The Tesla Model 3 dashes from 0 to 60 in a zesty 5.8 seconds. Hyundai? It's asking you to wait a teeny bit longer, clocking in at 7.6 seconds. Not too shabby Ioniq, but Tesla's already sipping its latte by the time you arrive. On the power platform, Tesla flexes with a robust 241 horsepower. Hyundai, though feisty, is playing catch-up with 149 horsepower. Yet let's not forget, it's not always about muscle. Sometimes it's the dance moves. And both these cars gracefully glide with rear-wheel drive. Now for the shopaholics. How many shopping bags can I fit in the trunk? Tesla boasts a max cargo volume of 19.8 cubic feet, plus an added 3.1 cubic feet in the frunk. That's front trunk for the uninitiated. Hyundai, on the other hand, offers 11.2 cubic feet and a frunk of 0.5 cubic feet. So you might need to rethink that shopping spree. Tech lovers, this one's for you. Tesla's rocking a 15-inch center touchscreen, keeping it minimal yet futuristic. Hyundai, though, is throwing a tech party with a 12.3-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Ooh, shiny! On the self-driving front, both cars are practically auditioning for a sci-fi movie role. Tesla's autopilot is whispering promises of steering, accelerating, and braking for you. Meanwhile, Hyundai's bevy of features like forward collision avoidance assist and highway driving assist are looking to give Tesla's tech a run for its money. So who's the EV MVP for you in this charged-up comparison? Whether you're Team Tesla or hyped for Hyundai, one thing's clear: the electric future is looking brighter than ever.